guys, it's me, Lexi, and today I'm with my friend Evie, and she just put the chair on my toe.
Sorry.
Okay, anyway, we are doing the mystery wheel slime challenge. We have already added our glue because...
We added this glue.
Yeah, because we didn't want to add this glue in case it don't work, because we never tried this glue. So yeah, let's get straight on with the colour. Okay, so the colours of choices we have yellow, blue, red and green. Okay, you go first.
I don't know what I'm working for.
Actually, I'm just going to go first. Okay, I get yellow. Yellow paint, please. Thank you. Our dad's just helping us. So she got blue.
I don't want blue.
Blue paint, please.
Just the blue one right in front of you, yeah.
So, next one is...
Oh, you need to do the next one.
It's going to be... Toppings.
Oh, I didn't want it this bright. Oh, well, we have to add shaving foam anyway, don't we? By the way, we have to add shaving. Shush! Sorry, no, it's not our dad, it's Alex. He said the wrong person. My brother, and he's been really annoying. He promised not to talk. And he's... It's just getting annoying. We have to add shaving foam because it don't go slime without shaving foam for us. So can you pass me shaving foam, please, Alex? Shaving cream off foam, whichever.
Okay, so our choices are of the glitter: blue, yellow, purple, pink and green. Okay, so
I'm kind of shaking.
whoa.
I don't know why I added that much to us.
Okay, I'm gonna mix this.
White. No, mine's not gonna make white, does?
Okay, so let's spin.
Yeah,
Sorry, there's just an advert. Okay.
Alex, I'm making a bit more of the blue paint because it's not the blue I really want.
I'm sorry, this is just not working.
It'll be a minute.
This just toppings.
I don't really.
Ew.
Wait.
Ew.
I don't really even want glitter to be honest, but
Well, we have to.
When you don't even know what to
Just
do,
spin
just do someone.
Pink glitter. She gets blue glitter
blue
to
glitter.
match her.
Let's do it with
Blue glitter.
I got blue glitter, please. We told you not to talk.
Okay. I've just emptied all this because we've got another thing, haven't we?
Yeah, but don't waste the other thing.
Okay. Next one is going to be diamonds or red fern beads.
Oh, diamonds. We can't even have a lot of diamonds because.
Boom. Okay.
Okay. Hidden. I don't know why it's called hidden. This is Lexi's.
So I got red fern beads.
Oh.
Not Adolphus.
She got diamonds.
I got diamonds.
Diamonds.
No, Alex, you will not.
There you go.